Today, we're going to look at the upcoming Krispy Kreme IPO. The donut company said on Tuesday that it has confidentially filed paperwork related to a public offering of its stock with the SEC. The number of shares that will be offered and their price range has not been determined. But if you follow me on Twitter or Discord, you know that I post that information on there as soon as it becomes available. As you probably know by now, this is not the first time Krispy Kreme had gone public. They went public back in 2000, but was taken private by Jab Holding for $21 per share back in 2016 and a whopping $1.3 billion. So what's different now? Why are they going public again, and should you invest this time around? I'm going to answer these questions and more on this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, investors? My name is Jose and welcome back to Rico Suave IPOs, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're looking at the upcoming Krispy Kreme IPO. I gotta tell you guys, I'm very excited about this one. Krispy Kreme was founded in 1937 by Vernon Rudolph, who, according to the company's website, sold his specialty yeast rising glazed donuts to grocery stores in the old section of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. The company went public in 2000 to tremendous initial success. Its shares opened at $8 per share and 3 years later soared to nearly $50 per share. But by 2016, the share price had fallen to just $20 per share. So what happened? Well, according to Nation Restaurant News, the company had to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy following financial restatements and investigations into its accounting practices. Yikes. Today, there are 363 Krispy Kreme locations in the US, in 42 states, in 281 cities. In 2004, they had 393 establishments, and in 2009, they had 222 stores. They have bounced back up to almost their all-time highs, and this could be a good reason why they're going public one more time. By the way, the state with the most Krispy Kremes is New York, with 7 locations. So like I said before at the beginning of the video, we don't have the number of shares or the share price, but according to MarketWatch, Krispy Kreme debuted at $21 per share back on April 5th, 2000. According to Seeking Alpha, Krispy Kreme could be the first restaurant IPO since 2019, and the company is looking for a valuation of $4 billion. Krispy Kreme has over 1,500 locations worldwide and continues to have a large presence in grocery stores. Jab Holding also owns the Panera brand, which I really love. Here's a short 1-minute video from the WCNC YouTube channel that looks into why Krispy Kreme is going public once again in 2021. But before that, a quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description.
It is time to connect the dots when we make the news make sense. Krispy Kreme could be returning to stock market for the first time in 5 years. The North Carolina company preparing to go public again, and it looks like those donuts may be a pretty sweet investment.
Krispy Kreme planning a big comeback on Wall Street. So how did their falling donut sales come full circle? Let's connect the dots. Krispy Kreme cashed in back in 2016 when sales weren't doing too hot. They were bought by a private company that owns tons of big brands like Keurig and Panera Bread. Since then, they've made some big changes. Krispy Kreme remodeled hundreds of locations for the first time in a decade and revamped their menu with trendier options. The company also expanded their reach outside the Carolinas. Krispy Kreme has added new stores worldwide and opened a show-stopping location in Times Square. All of this proven to be a sweet success. Experts estimate Krispy Kreme sales have gone up nearly 60% since 2015. And now the company's even grabbing more attention thanks to the vaccine rollout. Krispy Kreme is offering a free donut every day this year if you get your COVID shot. The store hoping that giving you a freebie means you won't glaze over them the next time you see the hot light on. And that is connecting the dots.
As you can see, Krispy Kreme is coming back with remodeled stores and new menu items. They even opened a new location in Times Square, and sales are up 58% in the last 5 years. They are also giving away free donuts to those who have taken the vaccine. That's pretty cool. You can check out their website to find a shop near you and to learn more about the company and the type of donuts they have available. These all look amazing. All right, so normally at this part of the video, I will cover the S1 financials, but because Krispy Kreme filed privately or confidentially with the SEC, this information is not available at this time. So, should you invest in the Krispy Kreme IPO? Well, without having the S1 to look over at their sales, it's kind of like hard to make a decision. However, knowing that their sales have been up 58% in the last 5 years, and that Krispy Kreme donuts are available in multiple locations like gas stations and supermarkets, I think this could be a sweet deal if the price is right. I'm gonna have to give this one a big thumbs up, guys. You know, I love their products, and even though they have other competitors like Dunkin' Donuts, right? I believe that the Krispy Kreme brand is strong enough to stand on its own. But of course, guys, that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investing or financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico Suave's the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I think you'll blow your house, your money, leave you broke, son.